In modern manufacturing, high efficiency, precision, and reliability are goals every manufacturer strives for. In this highly competitive market, our injection molding machines are deeply trusted by customers. Here is Tiger-born Electrical Appliances Company Limited in Jiangsu Province of China, a loyal partner of Huarong and an outstanding manufacturer of Tiger Corporation products. The company primarily produces household electronic appliances such as vacuum thermos bottles, rice cookers, and electric kettles. Tiger Corporation is dedicated to applying advanced technology to new products and is widely known for its excellent quality and has been loved by consumers. Tiger-born's factory is equipped with dozens of Huarong injection molding machines, all of which are standard toggle machines from the HRN series. The HRN series has multiple advantages, such as quick mold opening and closing, high versatility simple operation, stable and powerful injection, and durable structural design. To provide high-quality products, customers need reliable and efficient injection molding machines to meet their needs. With their superior performance and stability, our injection molding machines have become the unequivocal choice for Tiger-born. Each machine embodies our dedication and commitment to our customers, ensuring efficiency and precision and bringing them confidence. Our machines have several advantages, including efficient automated operation, precise molding technology, and durable patented designs. These features not only improve production efficiency but also significantly reduce machine maintenance costs. Through these machines, Tiger-born has achieved its production goals and enhanced product quality and market competitiveness. Huarong is your trusted choice. We are committed to providing the highest quality injection molding machines and turnkey solution to support your success. Please contact us, and together, let's create a brighter future.